Hey guys, it's Bailey and oh dang. Take two. Hey squad, it's Bailey back with another video. So in this video, I'll be showing you some of my stuffed animals. I know this is kind of like a weird video, like why would you want to see my stuffed animals? But I have no other ideas. So yeah, let's get right on into it. So my first stuffed animal is, I'm going to start from least to favorites, is this little monkey. He always helped me through my times, and when I was younger, he has little, like, I don't know what that is, it's a swirl, and he has little swirly ears also. It's so cute. And he has a big giant smile and little tiny eyes, and it has little swirlies all over him. And it's also one of those monkeys, well, stuffed animals, it could be any, that you can wrap around your neck, like his hands stick together. So I always loved pretending I was in music videos and be like, oh yeah, or at a concert, and I'm like he's like hugging me and I'm like dancing with him, and it was so fun. But I'm older now. I should get over, and I should get a life. So my next one is this Grumpy Cat. I love Grumpy Cat. If you don't know, it's not like my second least favorite. It's like I'm just going through, but I have a lot of stuffed animals, so I might have a part 2 to this. I might make it tomorrow. I'm not going to make it right now, but I might have a part 2. So here is Grumpy Cat. He's just like a head, and it has little, it's all one big fluffy thing, and then he has 3 little ears. It's awesome. So yeah, on to the next one. So the next one is this, oh my god, my camera always falls down. Yeah. Well, the next one is this little tiger. He is so adorable. I had him when I was like 3 years old. I'm not even joking. And yeah, he's so cute, and he has little eyes. You can't really see them. It's like they're in there. And I don't know why, I was a weird child, but I would stick my finger through his nose and pretend I was giving him surgery. I used to like take a needle or something and go like this, and I was pretending I'm giving vet things to him, like medicine and stuff. But it was cute. But this is him. So let's get on to the next one. Oh my gosh, how much is this gonna keep happening? So the next one is, I don't know if I showed you this one. Let me go see. Oh, here it is. So this is my next one. I swear to the heavens if you keep doing this. So this is my next one. It is a poop pillow, and it's so cute because it's rainbow, and I love rainbows and unicorns. So let's get on to the next one. So the next one, I think it's gonna be this one. It's a giant bear. My mom gave it to me when I was like, I swear, this was my baby thing. Like, I used to, literally when I was a baby, I was such a small baby, I would literally go to sleep like on his stomach. Like when I was a newborn, I literally would fall asleep on his stomach. Good times. Next. Okay, so the next one I have is a little cupcake, and it has, my thing is wonky, don't, just ignore that. And it's just this, and it has little chocolate on it, and it has, I think this is supposed to be a blueberry, or it just has blueberry icing, and it has a little cherry on top, and it's a stuffy. Next one. So the next one I have is this giant, big kitty thing. And it's just like so big, I can't even describe it. But yeah, next one. Final one, actually. So the final one I wanted to show you was this unicorn one, because